Okay, so today's prompt, we are in Copilot in Microsoft, and this is something that, some people may need to do from time to time, and this is to create a list of all the files or folders that are in a particular, either directory, or in this case, we're doing a SharePoint library. So we've told Copilot here to create a Word document with all the files in the marketing SharePoint library. So I created a marketing SharePoint library and threw some sample files in there, and then asked it to output this into a Word document. So you'll see here, I've got this blown up so you can read it. It kind of goes through each file here and tells you, what it is with a link to it, which is great. And then it asked me what I wanted to do with it, if I wanted a summary or just a list. And in this case, I just wanted a list of the files in the SharePoint directory. And then it gave me a Word document, which is what I asked for. And here's the Word document that it spit out. And these are all the files that I threw in that directory. You could also ask it to create links to these. So if you wanted to create a document here, maybe that was something that you could pass on to your team that says, hey, here are all the files that are in this directory and easy links for you to access them. So this is a great way to get a list of all the files that you have in a particular SharePoint directory.